if you're going to rent a room house, it will cost 169,000 a night. With the inclusion of full butler service, standard cactus, and breakfast. So even the church is not yet finished, it's already functional to accommodate Holy Mass, weddings, and baptismal. So if you want to celebrate your wedding here, so first you have to find your forever. So you can use our church. And then for our next house.
Yung po pang no limit ahara kanina, yun yung original.
Hindi po. Ano lang yun?
Replica.
Yes, yung balat. Bulacan. And this house was built in the year 1898, owned by Captain Fernando Berhel de Dios. And Captain Berhel de Dios had 2 wives also. So even before it's rampant. So his first wife was Carmen Pausa de Leon, and they were blessed with only 9 children. Yes, for only 9 children because unfortunately, Carmen Pausa died. But don't worry, after a year, Capitan Berhel de Dios had moved on because he had a second wife named Angela Nunez. So most of the houses here in Las Casas are 40 to 60% original. So the ground floor of the house is made of stones and bricks, they are just reproduction. But the second floor of the house is made of wood. So that's the original parts of the house that they dismantled and they transferred here in Las Casas. But for the flooring of our Casa Quiapo, this is original. And this is what we call Piedra China. So Piedra China was used by the Chinese before to balance their ship during galleon trades. And they said in our present time, those stones are very expensive. So for 1 block of Piedra China, it will cost 10,000 to 20,000 pesos. May dala po ba kayo pang baklas? So for our group po now, we're going to visit the
Ang ganang chandelier nila. Ano yung ibig sabihin na ito? No? No, ang creep.
Yes po.
Ang creepy niya.
Yeah, so here po the second floor of the house, you will see sa artwork that made of plaster of Paris. So those kind of parts are not the 13 people during the war. So it's all about the Blackness in Quiapo, Manila. So these are the body gestures, facial expressions of the devotees of Blackness. Yeah, so this one po, because this is the old version, so we called it as CCC lip or peeping hook. So this is the CCC lip. This the old version of our CCTV cameras. So the owner of this house before putting this home to see the visitors downstairs.
Yan yung original poste sa bahay. Parang na siyang marupok sa loob. Parang siyang marupok, no? Ito yung bathroom. Sinaunang bathroom. Ay, hindi ba? Sure ka? Parang eh. Walang lights.
Palalaki.
Wala, hindi pang baba. Ay, nakalock.
So that building was built in the year 1889, owned before by Don Miguel Amatria. And then aside from Malacanang Palace, that was the first building to have telephone line and electricity here in the Philippines. So the telephone line number of Malacanang, number 1, and then Hotel Doriente was number 2. And then in the year 1892, Dr. Sarizal was checking on that hotel in the room number 22, but I cannot tell who's with him. Dismiss din niya. So those houses that you can see in our surroundings are one of our Casa Tanto, it has 3 bedrooms, and then that house in the corner, Casa Binando Una, it has 4 bedrooms. That you can occupy whenever you visit this again with your neighbors. But if you ask me
Day
about
tour. Yung mga bata nga hindi na alam yan. Hindi na alam yung ano. Mga batang 90s na datnan pa yan.
Babang bukid pa kinin eh.
Oo. Palo Cebu. Pwede, ano?
From Unisan, Quezon Province. So this house was built in the year 1839 owned before by Don Antonio Maxino. And this was the first stone house that was built in Unisan. And then before, it had a secret passage that used by the family when they were once attacked by the bandits. But when the bandits was found the secret passage, unfortunately, the family were trapped and killed. Yes, except for one year named Carmen houses that was transferred here in Las Casas. So that house was built in the year 7. Casa Candaba became historical because our national artist for film, Direct Jerry De Leon, used this house for his immortal epic movie, Noli Me Tangere. And in the movie, the house was the residence of Capitan Tiago and Maria Clara, one of the characters of Noli Me Tangere, book of our national hero, Dr. Rizal. And then that house, the one po in the middle, there is our Casa Mexico, from Mexico, Pampanga then. Yes, and that's the only house here in Las Casas that wasn't found on its original location because the different parts of the house was already found dismantled on a junk shop. And for them, to reconstruct that house, they used its old photograph as the basis. And then today, at the ground floor of our Casa Mexico, we have film showing. So it's open from 7 p.m. to 10 p.m. If you want to watch some local movies like General Luna, Gregorio del Pilar, so you can visit our Casa Mexico later. And then for our next house that we're going to visit, our Casa Bizantina.
Ay, hindi tayo magaling.
Yes po, our premier hotel.
Saan pa naman ako ng Maria Clara. Ay, Bacara. Akala ko pupunta tayo doon.
Papasok po na ako.
Dito kayo.
So for our this house was our premier hotel. It has 7 bedrooms and can occupy by 16 people. And if you're going to rent the whole house, it will cost 169,000 a night. With the inclusion of full butler service, standard captors, and breakfast. And the toiletries inside this house are Hermes brand. So it's like a Mamo Julicia. The interior design, this is not the original design of the house. So it was home designed by Mr. Acosar. And the design that you can see on the ceiling, on
Ayan yung hotel. Casa Binondo. Worth 106 per night. Sabi nung tour guide, payback naman yung perang ibibigay kasi Hermes daw yung mga gamit. Like siguro yung kumot or whatever. Pero yun yun. Latyan de Sita. Ano yan, mga rooms for rent. Yung mga mag-overnight dito. Yun yung mga rooms. Tapos pag nakabukas yung room, ibig sabihin may occupied siya. Para siyang sa tawag Paris style.
where they did plan how to capture General Tsutomu Yamashita, the leader of the Japanese soldiers. And then later on, entered the house.
Di ba yung nuclear power plant yun?
In the side of the house, and then now that way called Bulada. And that Bulada was used by the Aliping side elite or the side servant. So for our group po, tingnan na po natin sa taas. So let's go upstairs. Yung gold bars po, wala na po. So para po agad tayo, para makita nyo po na yung bulado nito is around the house po.
Sa mga pupunta dito. Ganda ng view. Tsaka hindi siya mainit, malamig yung hangin.
Appreciate ng mata mo, hindi nakikita ng camera mo.
Depende.
So again po, this is the Bulada, this narrow pathway. So this is the passageway for the side servants or for the Aliping Saging Elite before. Because they're not allowed to walk inside the house or to serve in front of their masters. And then, here din po you will see some antique collection of Mr. Jerry Acosar, like phonograph, coffee grinder, and then here will also have antique mirror. So if you want to see the real you have to try this mirror. What you see is what you get. And then, Aside from that, here those people that you can see in the pictures, they're not related in this house. That's why we did not recognize them anymore, except for Lito Lapid.
Kamukha niya. Kaya nga, kamukha niya.
So tara po, next room po tayo. Dito po, antique piano.
Oh.
So if you want to know that the piano is antique, so you have to wait until 12 midnight. Tutugtog na Bisaya.
Parang nakita ko na to somewhere.
And then, for those people po again, they're not related in this house. Pero pwede mo tingnan, baka may kakilala buhay dyan. Mga kapitbahay. Yeah, so this is the bedroom.
And she was
Ako na nga.
Yes, and we call it Princess de Paa. Okay, I'm going to show you how to place this one. So you have to place your foot here, and then here, you have to hold on the wall for your balance, and then shake your body. Yes, because before we don't have electricity, that's why the Pilipinas Princess de Paa. And then aside from that, for this one, do you have an idea also what is this? Any guess? Inabot ni Madam. So this one, this is the first luggage or suitcase of the Filipinos, the ancestor of Louis Vuitton, and we call it tampipi. Paggamit ng babae. Paggamit po ng lalaki, tampipi pa rin. Tampipi pa rin po. So usually,
Paano kaya ito makakaplat ng gamit?
Baka may balak madre to puli.
Ay, hindi na siya functional. Yeah. Hindi na siya na.
and this one po is our own home. So you want to make this,
May ano na ba dati?
and then over here, we also
Electric
have
fan.
senior
Parang wala pa.
and then different kinds of hot iron. So this one is for Bibica.
Give me a break, I'm waiting for them to leave.
Yes. And then I think this one you will remember this. So flat iron, so you have to put some charcoal inside this one, and you have to cover the charcoal, and then you have to get some banana leaves to make the surface smoother. Yeah, so this is a flat iron. And then for the last part of this house, I'm going to show you the old toilet bowl of the Filipinos. So this way po tayo. Yeah, so
Yung
here,
collection niya ng
you will see
coffee.
old toilet bowl of the Filipinos. And as you can see, it has 2 holes. Do you have an idea why it has 2 holes? For the pupu and
This
for the
one?
pee.
I don't know.
So,
ice cream
the
maker.
reason why ice cream maker
Yeah,
is
pin-
because
yeah,
before,
I don't know.
the Filipinos
Oh, yeah.
are getting this is what they do. That's why in the afternoon,
Pinya na
they
pala
use the
to.
restroom at the same time as their bonding moment. Holding hands while pulling. Yes, po, madam. So everyone can take a look, but please don't try it. So we call it latrine or latrina. Yes po, modern na po yung side. Yung part na yan. I know, during that time, malapit sa ilog pa.
Super antique na, no?
Pero pag malayo po sa ilog, gusto nyo talaga itong iparating po sa inyo na mga bumibisita sa Las Casas. Especially sa mga kabataan. Baka raw po kasi maging inspirasyon or kapulutan ng aral. At ito raw po yun. So sabi po ni Mr. Acosa, maraming salamat daw po sa pagpunta. Ito lang ang talaga. May dating at puso kapag ating pinagsama-sama, gumaganda kapag nabibigisan, ngunit pumapangit naman kapag napabayaan. Bawat bahay may damdamin at karakter, may pera sa bulok sa pagkalinga, sa ating kalikasan at kapaligiran. So there's impact and love if we put them together. It gets beautiful when taken care of, and it gets ugly, nasa luna po. And it gets ugly when being neglected. Every houses have their own feelings and characters. There's money in trash in protecting our surroundings and environment. So once again po,